Have you ever wondered why we seem to shrink as we get older? It's a common experience, but understanding why it happens and how to address it can make a big difference in how we age. In today's video, we're exploring practical, everyday strategies to help you maintain your height and keep your bones strong. Stay with us until the end to discover simple yet effective tips for incorporating weight-bearing exercises, essential stretches, and bone-boosting nutrition into your daily routine. These small changes can have a profound impact on your health and well-being, ensuring you stay active and vibrant for years to come. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn how to enhance your quality of life and embrace aging with confidence. Before we begin, I would appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread the old age lesson. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. If you like this video, please comment number 1. If you don't like it, comment number 0 to let me know so I can make a better video for you. Now let's get started. Beginning around the age of 40, many people start to notice a gradual decrease in their height. On average, individuals lose about ½ an inch every decade, and over the years, this can accumulate to a significant amount. By the time we reach 80, it is quite common to have lost an additional inch or more from our original height. This natural process often prompts curiosity about why it happens, and the answer is intricately linked to our spine, a crucial structure for both height and overall posture. Our spine is made up of a series of bones called vertebrae, which are stacked upon one another. Between these vertebrae are gel-like discs known as intervertebral discs. These discs serve as shock absorbers, cushioning the vertebrae and allowing the spine to remain flexible and comfortable. Think of these discs as miniature shock absorbers that help maintain the smooth operation of our spine. As we age, these intervertebral discs change. They gradually lose some of their fluid content, causing them to become thinner over time. This reduction in disc thickness can lead to compression of the spine, which results in a decrease in height. This process is a natural part of aging, as the discs lose their ability to provide the same level of cushioning and flexibility they once did when we were younger. Have you noticed any recent changes in your height? This experience is quite common, but there is some positive news. You don't have to resign yourself to height reduction as an unavoidable consequence of aging. There are effective, practical measures you can take to prevent or slow down this process without resorting to extreme interventions. Maintaining your height as you age involves adopting several key habits that promote spinal health. Regular physical activity is essential, particularly exercises that strengthen the back and core muscles, which support the spine. Additionally, maintaining good posture and ensuring you get adequate nutrition to support bone health can make a significant difference. It's important to understand that these changes in height are a natural aspect of aging, but they can be managed with simple and practical steps. Incorporating small adjustments into your daily routine can support your spine and overall well-being. These changes don't need to be drastic or complicated. Instead, they involve making thoughtful choices that promote spinal health and enhance your quality of life. These methods are designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine and can yield surprisingly effective results. In our busy lives, the idea of introducing new practices might initially seem overwhelming. Balancing numerous responsibilities and commitments can make the prospect of adding anything new feel daunting. However, the encouraging news is that you don't need to undertake major changes or overhaul your entire routine. Starting with a few manageable adjustments can lead to noticeable improvements in your well-being. The focus here is on making consistent, deliberate choices that integrate smoothly with your existing lifestyle, rather than striving for dramatic transformations. One of the most effective and impactful methods for supporting your overall health and preserving your height as you age is through regular engagement in weight-bearing exercises. These exercises are crucial for building and maintaining bone strength, which is essential for sustaining your health and vitality over the long term. Weight-bearing exercises are activities that require your body to work against gravity, stimulating your bones to build and retain strength. By subjecting your bones to these forces, you encourage the production of new bone cells, which helps to reinforce and strengthen your skeletal system. This process plays a vital role in counteracting the natural thinning of bones that often occurs with age, effectively providing your bones with the extra support and care they need. Examples of weight-bearing exercises include brisk walking, hiking, dancing, and participating in sports such as tennis. Each of these activities contributes to bone health by fostering the production of new bone cells, thereby helping to reinforce and strengthen your bones. For instance, a brisk walk around your neighborhood or a scenic hike through the woods can stimulate your bones and promote their health. Dancing to your favorite tunes or engaging in a friendly tennis match can also be highly beneficial. These activities not only support bone strength but also contribute to your overall physical fitness. Reflect on whether you have previously engaged in any of these activities. Perhaps you've enjoyed a stroll through a park, or you found joy in dancing to your favorite songs at home. If these types of activities are new to you, consider this an opportunity to start incorporating them into your routine. Finding an exercise that you genuinely enjoy can make it easier to stay committed and consistent. Beyond their benefits for bone health, weight-bearing exercises offer additional advantages. They can significantly boost your mood, increase your energy levels, and add a layer of enjoyment to your daily life. Whether you decide to take a scenic hike, join a local dance class, or simply take a brisk walk around your neighborhood, the key is to choose an activity that fits seamlessly into your routine and pleases you. Remember, the goal is not to push yourself to extremes, but to discover enjoyable and sustainable ways to stay active, which will positively impact both your physical and emotional well-being. If you are still watching this video and finding these lessons useful, please comment number 1 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. Thank you for your valuable time. Incorporating weight-bearing exercises into your daily routine can be highly beneficial for your bones and overall health. As you integrate these exercises, you might also notice an increase in your overall energy and engagement in daily activities. Alongside weight-bearing exercises, incorporating back stretches into your routine can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Stretching exercises are highly effective for enhancing flexibility, improving posture, and increasing your range of motion. The beauty of these stretches lies in their simplicity, requiring minimal equipment, such as a mat or a comfortable space at home. Yoga and Pilates are particularly beneficial for back stretches and overall flexibility. These practices offer a variety of movements designed to enhance your spine's alignment and support core strength. However, if yoga and Pilates aren't your preferences, don't worry, there are plenty of simpler stretches that can be just as effective. For example, stretches such as the child's pose, Superman pose, and glute bridge are excellent choices. These stretches can help alleviate muscle tension, improve your posture, and support spinal health, enabling you to stand taller and maintain your height. In summary, integrating weight-bearing exercises and back stretches into your daily routine can significantly enhance your bone health, flexibility, and overall well-being. By choosing activities that you enjoy and that fit into your lifestyle, you can maintain both your physical and emotional health, ensuring a vibrant and active life as you age. Why not take a moment right now to try a few stretches? It's a simple yet delightful way to start integrating these movements into your daily routine. Choose a comfortable place, be it a yoga mat, a soft carpet, or even the floor of your living room, and give it a go. You might be pleasantly surprised by the immediate sense of well-being you experience and the positive effect it can have on your mobility. Just a few minutes each day can have a remarkable impact on your flexibility and overall health. After you've completed these stretches, take a moment to reflect on how you feel. This small adjustment to your routine can lead to significant benefits over time. Your body will appreciate the effort, and you may find yourself feeling more relaxed and agile. It's a small commitment with the potential for substantial rewards. In addition to stretching, it's important to remember that proper nutrition plays a crucial role in maintaining strong and healthy bones. To support bone health, focus on obtaining the right nutrients, particularly calcium and vitamin D. Calcium is essential for building and preserving bone density, which becomes increasingly vital as we age. To ensure you're getting enough calcium, include a variety of calcium-rich foods in your diet. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources, but you can also find calcium in nuts such as almonds, as well as leafy greens like broccoli and kale. These foods are instrumental in supporting bone strength and density. Vitamin D is equally important as it enhances your body's ability to absorb calcium. Without adequate vitamin D, your body might struggle to utilize the calcium you consume, potentially leading to weaker bones. To boost your vitamin D intake, consider adding egg yolks, fortified milk, and oily fish like salmon and tuna to your meals. These foods can help ensure you're getting enough vitamin D to maintain bone health and prevent bone loss. By combining regular stretching with a nutrient-rich diet, you can support your overall health and enhance your sense of well-being. In addition to obtaining vitamin D from dietary sources, spending some time in sunlight can significantly benefit your body by promoting the natural production of this vital nutrient. Just a small amount of sun exposure each day, whether it's a brief walk outside or sitting by a sunny window, can boost your vitamin D levels considerably. This increase in vitamin D is crucial because it enhances your body's ability to absorb calcium from your diet, which is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Have you been paying attention to including these bone-healthy foods in your meals? It's crucial to make sure you're getting sufficient calcium and vitamin D, as both play a fundamental role in supporting bone health. A balanced diet that incorporates foods rich in these essential nutrients, coupled with a bit of daily sunlight, can greatly contribute to sustaining strong, resilient bones throughout your life. While ensuring you receive the right nutrients is vital for bone health, it's equally important to be aware of certain lifestyle habits that could undermine your efforts. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption are two major factors that can negatively impact bone strength and overall bone health. Smoking has been consistently associated with reduced bone density and slower healing processes for fractures. The harmful chemicals in cigarettes can impair the body's ability to absorb calcium and hinder the function of bone-building cells. This disruption can make your bones more fragile and susceptible to fractures and breaks. Similarly, excessive alcohol intake can disrupt the body's calcium balance and compromise bone health. Heavy drinking interferes with calcium absorption and its utilization within the body, leading to weakened bones and a higher risk of fractures. Regular, excessive consumption of alcohol can exacerbate these issues, further impairing bone strength and increasing the likelihood of bone-related complications. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D, mindful sun exposure, and avoiding detrimental habits like smoking and excessive drinking is crucial for preserving bone health and ensuring your bones remain strong and resilient throughout your life. If you're worried about smoking or heavy drinking, it's important to remember that you are not alone in facing these challenges. Many people struggle with these habits, and fortunately, a wide array of resources and support systems are available to help you make positive changes. It's never too late to start prioritizing your health and your bones. Seeking assistance to quit smoking or reduce alcohol consumption can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being and bone health. Taking proactive steps to address these habits can profoundly impact your bone health. Whether you choose to consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice, join support groups for motivation and accountability, or utilize resources specifically designed to help you make healthier lifestyle choices, these actions can pave the way for stronger bones and a better quality of life. Making lifestyle changes can be a powerful way to enhance your bone health and overall vitality. Are you ready to take steps to improve your bone health and overall well-being? Small, manageable changes can have a substantial impact. Consider incorporating simple activities into your daily routine, such as stretching exercises to improve flexibility, enjoying meals rich in bone-strengthening nutrients, or taking regular walks to keep your bones active and strong. Every positive action you take contributes to a healthier, more vibrant life. By committing to these changes, you can support your bones and embrace life with greater energy and joy. Let's make a commitment to caring for our bodies, ensuring we continue to enjoy life to its fullest potential. Thank you for watching and exploring these essential tips to maintain your height and bone health as you age. I hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. What have you learned so far? I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and share one thing you've learned from this video and how you plan to put it into practice in your life. Your insights and experiences can help others on this journey too. If you liked this video, please leave your comment below And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more valuable content. Stay tuned for more tips and encouragement to support your well-being. Keep taking care of yourself, and see you in the next video.